Number 10, dribbling the ball, set the play. Wait. Number 10, out of bounds. Bola pa rin ng Adrian. Number 10, pass to number 1, Nico Santos. Uy, nakuha pa rin niya. There's a foul. Foul by number 9. Number 9, third personal foul. First throw, no good.
Nanalo kayo nakaraan. Napaglaro eh.
Second throw, basket.
Nasano kami no?
Substitution.
Ay, naman.
Ay, ano nga ito yung sing-sing?
Number 10, pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to number 6. To number 2 for 3. 3 points by number 2. Number 10, pass to number.
Ano, Anton? Ito si...
Number 9, wala. Wala number 10.
Ba yan?
Number 10. Number 10. Bola pa rin ang Ercino.
Baka bola ko.
And number 6.
Asan?
Number 10.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Foul by number 10. Number 10, first personal foul. Number 1, pass to number 2. Number 2, 2 points by number 2. And by number 7, pass to number 10. Number 10, set the play, pass to number 2. Back to number 7, foul. Foul by number 2. Number 2, second personal foul.
Anton, ikaw na. Ikaw. Ako.
Wala.
Ang sakit! Abuin nila.
Second row, basket. And by number 1, pass to number 10. Number 10, dribbling the ball, set the play. Number 10, wait, looking for a super pass to number 2, to number 6. Number 6, pass to number 10. Number 10, wala. Nakuha ni number 9 ng Adrians, pass to number 10. Number 10, wala. Wala pa rin. Nakuha ni number 7 to number 9. Number 9, pass to Number 10, looking for receiver. That's number 1 to number 2 to number 7. 2 points, rate number 7. We would like to acknowledge the presence of our SK Kagawad, Amparo, Aki Jimenez. Number 6, Corey! Wala! Nakuha ni number 1. Wait, may foul. Number 8, first. Personal foul. Number 9, 2 points. Wait, number 9. Inbound by number 1. Pass to number 10. Number 10, set the play. Number 10, pass to number 2. Wait, this is the time nakuha ni Bernard. Pass to number 11. To number 8. Wala. Nakuha ni number 10. Number 10. Foul. Foul by number 2. Ay, 11. Number 11 first. Personal foul.
Dito ko nga, lalaki to eh. Balik tayo.
Inbound by number 2. Pass to number 10. Number 10, pass to Richard. Wala. Nakuha. Kuya number 2 to number 3. Nakuha ni Richard. Number 11 to number 10. To number 2. 2 points. Inbound by number 9. Pass to number 11 of Avians. Happy viewing kay Kuya Chester ng Rodriguez. Paturo-turo ka pa.
Greg.
Nagtago sila ni Jason. Sige na, magpakita na kayo.
Magkakampiyan, tanga. Alam ko nga. Alam ko lang. May magsatakan.
Wala. May foul. Foul by number 6. Number 6 first. Personal foul. No,